Today I am reviewing the HP Desktop Computer Tower PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you are looking to set up a home office, upgrade a small business workstation, or buy a reliable family computer, you don't always need a flashy gaming rig with bright neon lights. Most of the time, what you actually need is a dependable, high-speed workhorse that turns on instantly, handles massive multitasking without breaking a sweat, and lasts for years to come. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a machine designed exactly for that kind of peace of mind, the HP Business Ready Desktop Computer Tower PC in jet black. This particular configuration packs a modern 12th generation Intel Core i5 processor, a massive 32 gigabytes of RAM, and a lightning-fast 1 terabyte solid-state drive. But how does it perform when put to the test in a daily workflow? Let's break down the details into 4 major categories: processing power, speed and storage, out-of-the-box business readiness, and long-term investment value. First, let's talk about the engine under the hood, the processing power. This HP tower is equipped with an Intel Core i5-12500T 6-core processor. Do not let the compact, power-efficient design fool you. This 12th generation architecture handles modern workflows beautifully. When you pair this 6-core chip with a massive 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, you get an absolute productivity powerhouse. For professionals and students, this means you can actively jump on high-definition video calls, manage giant, formula-heavy spreadsheets, and keep dozens of demanding browser tabs open simultaneously without experiencing a single stutter or slowdown. It takes the frustration out of multitasking, allowing you to move through your workday seamlessly. Next up is the speed and storage capability. This system comes configured with a 1 terabyte PCIe Solid State Drive, or SSD. If you are still using an older computer with a traditional mechanical hard drive, switching to a PCIe SSD will feel like absolute night and day. We are talking about near-instant boot-up times. The moment you press the power button, Windows 11 is ready to go. Large files, complex databases, and heavy software applications load in the blink of an eye. Plus, with a full terabyte of local storage, families and professionals have tons of room to archive thousands of high-resolution photos, school projects, business records, and multimedia files without constantly worrying about running out of space. Third, let's focus on the out-of-the-box business readiness and connectivity. Setting up a new office can be a hassle if you have to buy a dozen different adapters and accessories. HP solves this by making this a complete plug-and-play solution. Right out of the box, it comes pre-installed with a clean version of Windows 11 Home, which offers a highly secure, modern, and familiar user interface. It also includes a full-sized wired keyboard and mouse, meaning all you need to do is plug in your monitor and you are ready to get to work. When it comes to plugging in your favorite accessories, the connectivity is excellent. The tower features a dedicated HDMI output for crisp display quality, multiple USB ports for your external drives, and fully integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth wireless tech. This makes it incredibly easy to connect wireless headphones, printers, or sync up your smartphone without dealing with an ugly tangle of cables behind your desk. Finally, we have to look at the smart long-term value of this desktop. Purchasing a computer is an investment, and nobody wants a machine that feels obsolete after just 12 months. Because this system is built on modern 12th generation Intel architecture, it ensures full, native compatibility with current and future software updates. HP has a long-standing reputation for business-class reliability, and this tower is engineered to run cool, quiet, and efficiently even during long hours of continuous operation. Whether you are running a small business, managing a busy household, or supporting a student through years of academic projects, it stands out as a wise, reliable investment. To wrap it all up, the HP Jet Black Desktop Tower is a stellar, no-nonsense productivity machine. It successfully combines premium processing speed, elite multitasking memory, massive storage, and effortless connectivity into a sleek, professional package. If you want a dependable desktop computer that simplifies your digital life and just works when you need it to, this HP Tower deserves a spot at the top of your list.